In this video, I will show you how to use a virtual camera in Zoom in place of your default webcam. So this method will be using OBS. So if you don't have that installed, you want to go ahead and install that. And if you come over to your settings in Zoom, go over to video, you can see that this is the default preview of your webcam. So you want to switch this over to OBS virtual camera. Once you do that, you'll see this preview pop up. So all you need to do is go into OBS and start your virtual camera. Now anything that's in your scene in OBS will reflect in the preview, and that's basically it. This would also work in any other program that allows you to switch over your video source. For example, Discord. If you switch that over to your virtual camera, you can see that it's reflected there.